What's going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video. And yes, the Samsung Galaxy Fold and the Huawei Mate X Fold, or whatever they're about to call that phone, has proven my point when it comes to y'all, some of me included, but y'all, when it comes to being satisfied. We complain about stuff and are never satisfied when a company does something that seems to be so cool, and yet we still try to find quips and quirks and things that we want to try to point out to try to bring that device down. Case in point, the Galaxy Fold. That foldable phone looks amazing. It looks great. Now, yes, I will agree that on the front, the screen could be a little bigger, but I'm not complaining about it. And I understand why it's not that big, because the whole point is to unfold and use the full display on the inside. But y'all complaining about, oh, the screen is so small. What's up with all the gap of space above the display? Stop complaining. That foldable phone is an invention that we have been waiting for, and was somewhat shocked and surprised when we found out that they were actually doing it. Not a big deal. Stop complaining about it. Complaint number 2 with the Galaxy Fold. Oh, when you unfold it and look at the display, there's a little indent notch in the corner for the camera. I don't like it. Why is it there? Stop complaining. That looks amazing. It gives it a nice accent, right? It's a different device. You're still getting 7+ inches of display. That little cutout notch for the camera is not a big deal, and it's in the corner. It makes it look unique. It makes it look different. It makes it look nice. That's the point of the Galaxy Fold. Still looks nice. You get all this display still. So why are we complaining about the little camera cutout? Now, do we have to have cameras on both sides of the phone? I guess it depends on the orientation in which you're using it and trying to take pictures, this, that, and the third. Will that small display on the front, be a big deal when you're trying to take pictures in its folded form? When you open it, how well do the pictures take? That's one thing, but I'm not complaining about it. I think it looks amazing. I think it looks good. It differentiates the Galaxy Fold from any other phone, including the Huawei Mate X Fold. Now, or the Huawei Mate Fold, whatever the moniker is, that I'll put it somewhere if I haven't already. Now, point number 3, and the final point in regards to the Huawei Mate Fold is, now we got the display. We still get a nice size, like 6-inch display for a phone. It folds inversely, where it folds backwards, and it looks clean. Wait, when you unfold it, it's plastic. It's not glass. What? But it looks good. Why are we complaining? There's no need to complain about the Huawei Mate Fold, when now, if you're complaining about the Galaxy Fold, now the Huawei Fold gives you a full display, and all you gotta do is fold it out. It looks very clean in how you do orientation. I saw John Prosser post or tweet a video of someone playing a game and unfolding it. Looks clean, looks amazing. Why are we complaining? There's no need to complain. It looks ridiculously good, looks amazing. And if you don't want the small display on the Galaxy Fold, get the Huawei's foldable phone and you get full display. So again, that's why that was the final point in regards to both of these foldable phones, because both of these foldable phones are different and give you what you want, but you're trying to find something to complain about and bring down about the phone. Why? Don't worry, I'll wait. Because it makes no sense. And maybe when we finally realize that, we'll stop complaining about technology when we're in like the greatest time and space for technology. We got foldable phones coming out. Now, one thing that is ridiculous, but it isn't necessarily in regards to tech per se, but yes, they crazy price, but they're crazy price for a reason. They're first gen, which still look amazing for first gen, and they are very premium products. So of course they're gonna be priced at $2,000+. Now, if Samsung or Huawei would throw a bone your boy's way, you know what I'm saying, I'll be glad more than glad to review and showcase those products to you guys. But as it is, I probably won't be getting them. So, you know, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But again, the price is gonna be crazy, but it's understandable. If it's true with the rumors of Apple releasing their foldable phone as well, again, it's somewhat understandable because it's, first of all, Apple's, if they see what they're pricing it as, you already know Apple's about to go out the window. Let me drive the boat. They about to go out the window with them prices. So it's kind of understandable for the price to be what they are for these devices. But I just want to throw that out there and maybe help us realize, like, this complaint gate that we in, always being mad and complaining and not satisfied with our devices that we're getting because we're trying to find something weird or wrong with them. It makes no sense. Now, I'm not saying to be satisfied with bugs. That's completely different. Like, get on your software game. That's not what I'm talking about. But what I am talking about is complaining about stuff that we don't need to be complaining about. Like, that does not have to be an issue in terms of the camera cutout or the notch or the display. Like, open the phone if you want more display. That's all you gotta do. Look at this. Bow! You got a whole display. So let's start keeping that kind of stuff in mind when we are dealing with tech and when we are actually thinking about it. Like, we're in a great space right now. There's no need to be having heart attacks over little itty bitty stuff that we realize in the grand scheme of things is not a big deal. But that's it for this video. Versal had to come and share his opinion on that. I'm definitely looking forward to what Samsung is doing this year. The Note 10 is about to be, crazy this year. So, you know, I'll definitely be looking forward to that too. But again, be on the lookout for the S10e. It will be rolling through here. Oh, excuse me again. You ever get eyelashes in your eyes and it's like, I can't see, or they just in your vision, like, That's what it is. But yes, as it stands, be on the lookout for the S10e coverage. It's going to be here just like the 10R. I feel like I was one of the few people that actually cared about the 10R, reviewed it, and I definitely appreciate everybody who came through and watched our 10R content. It is what it is. But your boy Versal signing out. And until the next wait for